Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change location on iPhone. So first of all, open settings on your iPhone, then from here go to the option of general. Now scroll down below and tap on the option of language and region. Now from here go to the option of region. Now scroll down below and you can select any of these locations given according to your choice. So I'm going to choose United States for now. And at the bottom, you can see that applying this setting will restart your iPhone. So if you tap on change to United States or any other region or location according to your choice, your iPhone will restart and then you will be able to change your location on your iPhone device. So that's how simply you can change your location on iPhone. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.